Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Vyom. Good morning, Avantika. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta Taran.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ये आहाना शर्मा. दिनेश शर्मा को हटाओ, रीनेम करो. रुको, I'll rename.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vyom.
ma'am, may I ask my query?
हाँ, you want to ask?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harshit. You can ask.
Ma'am, as I have submitted my notebook
Yes.
on my 26th.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the history notebook, ma'am, I have not done the question answers of second chapter that you made us.
Okay.
Test all is done. So, ma'am, you will check that question answers also that you discussed on 24 or
It is okay.
20.
Next time I will check. No problems.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am, I submitted on 25.
You submitted on 21st.
Ma'am, 20.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji beta, please ask.
Ma'am, please can you once again tell the maps in the first chapter of history?
Maps of
Ma'am, can
history. Beta, there is just one map which is about the France. Only 4 places you have to mark. Can I take help of anybody in the class who has done this map?
Yes, ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Parush.
Ma'am, it is ma'am Nantes, Marseilles, and ma'am Bordeaux, and ma'am
Paris.
and ma'am one more Paris.
Paris.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Bordeaux.
Ma'am, Nantes,
Yes, ma'am.
Marseilles, and
Yes.
Bordeaux.
Nantes, Bordeaux, Marseilles, and Paris. Only 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Haan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
today
ma'am.
we'll start with geography.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, today. Good morning, bache. Today we'll start the geography chapter, drainage. Right? I am waiting
Okay,
for
ma'am.
everyone to
Okay,
join
ma'am.
the class. I am waiting for everyone to join. And then collectively. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, will we get 5 days holidays in this July month?
I think so.
Ma'am, we must get.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ha, Baba, you will
ma'am,
be.
what was the last place?
Huh?
Ma'am, the last place from P.
Paris. Okay.
Ma'am, I submitted my copies today.
Bhavya Khandelwal is there in the meeting?
Ma'am, have you checked our notebooks?
Beta, I am going to school today. I'll be going today to collect the notebooks.
Yes, ma'am. She is in the meeting.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I have also submitted my notebook.
Yes, ma'am. I have also submitted.
Okay. Today I'll be going. I know those who are sincere, they must have done it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done my maps in my atlas.
Why in Atlas, beta? It is required in the notebook.
Excuse
Ma'am, I was not having
Yes, beta.
map.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I am out of station. Ma'am, so I will submit my notebooks, ma'am, on 4 or 5. Ma'am, I have taken permission from Akash.
It is okay. No issues. No issues.
And me also.
No problem, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the history, ma'am, I have ma'am sticked my France map, ma'am, but in the geography chapter 2, ma'am, I can't find the India, ma'am, so ma'am, that's why I can't stick it, ma'am. So ma'am, when my copy will return, ma'am, I will stick it, ma'am.
No issues. Okay. Do we have Bhavya Khandelwal in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But she is not answering. Bhavya Khandelwal.
Yes, ma'am.
In this month of June, how many days you have attended the class? If you could please tell.
I don't know, ma'am.
Mean all the days or few days or a week, 10 days? How many days you have attended?
10 days. 10 days.
Huh? Huh?
10 days. 10
Only on,
days.
listen, only on 14th and 15th you were there. Rest all the days you were not there, and today you have come to the class. I was checking the attendance. Only 2 days you were present in the month of June. Only 2 days you were present, 14th and 15th of June. And today is 28th. 28th. You are there in the class. Samriddhi Shukla.
Yes, ma'am.
How many days you have attended?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. You were still regular from 14th of July, 14th of June to 22nd. 23rd, I think you were not there in the class, right?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Chalo, theek hai. Do we have Shambhavi in the class?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, you all are not able to submit their copies now, ma'am, because of some reason, ma'am. Ma'am, their marks will be deducted.
बेटा ये एक मिनट, ये शिवेंद्र सिंह कौन है?
मैम मी हेलो मैम.
Who is this शिवेंद्र सिंह?
मैम मी हेलो.
बेटा शिवेंद्र सिंह आप कौन है बेटा?
मैम आई एम अ न्यू स्टूडेंट. आई जॉइंड द स्कूल अ वीक अगो.
A week ago.
यस मैम.
Can you please open your camera? Okay. Shivendra Singh. Please open your camera, Shivendra. See, when you come to a teacher's class, a new teacher, a class, you are a new student, you should introduce yourself, no? Yes or no? Huh? We are not antaryamis, no, that we will come to know that Shivendra is a new student in the class, in the school.
सॉरी मैम.
No, don't say sorry. It's just a general thing. No, when you go to a class, though we are not having physical classes, but in a virtual class, you are supposed to introduce yourself so that your classmates will also come to know that yes, this is a new boy in our school, right?
Yes मैम. Yes मैम.
Okay, fine. I'll speak to you later on. When did you join the school?
मैम on 24th or 23rd.
Okay, fine. Okay, rest details I'll ask you personally. Okay, thank you, beta.
Okay मैम.
Fine. Class, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. This term, this is the new chapter that we are going to start with you all, right? The name of the chapter is drainage. The name of the chapter is drainage, right? Reading part we will do later on, but initially let me introduce certain terms to you so that you are familiar with the chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have a quick
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have a quick
Yes,
attendance?
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Ahana
ma'am.
Sharma,
Yes, ma'am.
Ahana Sharma, Aradhya Chhabra, Abhishri Gupta, are
Present,
you
ma'am.
there? Abhishri Gupta, are you?
Present, ma'am. Yes,
But
ma'am.
you have attended school only for only the 3 days. 7th you were there, 15th you were there, 21st you were there, and today is 28th you are there. Only 4 days attendance. You can very well imagine how much marks you are going to get for your attendance. Fine. If you are not regular, don't expect full marks. Anokhi Roy is not there. Anshika Yadav.
Present, ma'am.
Anvesha.
Present, ma'am.
Arihant.
Present, ma'am.
Arshit Yadav.
Ma'am, present.
Arushi.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Gangwar. Aryan Gangwar. Not there. Asjad, not there. Atharva Verma, not there. Avantika Saxena.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi Nimesh, Bhavya Khandelwal,
Yes, ma'am.
Gurleen. Is she not attending any of the classes? Taran, Gurleen class,
But she regularly puts the attendance.
but she's not attending her classes, I believe. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. I have never seen her.
I need to speak to her. Harshit Oberoi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Himanshu Singh. Himanshu Singh. Himanshu Singh, are you there? Himanshu Singh, are you there? Not in the mood. Let him be absent. Okay. Do we have Ishi in the class?
Present, ma'am.
Arnav Patel? Jay Kanojia, not there, no? Jivyan Arora?
Present, ma'am.
Kartikeya Saxena? Kavya Tripathi?
Yes, ma'am.
Kavya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you are also quite irregular. This is the 4th day you are attending the class in the month of June. 4th time. Khyati Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Angel? Krishna is not there. Molly Mishra? Absent. Mihika Singh? Mihika, are you there, beta? She is not there. Okay. Then Paurush Daksh.
Ma'am, present.
Then do we have Prachi Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Pradyuman? Prakhar?
Present, ma'am.
Prashasti?
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Purvi?
Present, ma'am.
Rudransh?
Present, ma'am.
Right. Saksham Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
Samriddhi Shukla?
Present, ma'am.
Shagun Mittal?
Ma'am, Shagun present.
Shambhavi? Not there. She is also irregular. Only 2 days she has attended her class. Shashank Navodit? Not there. Shivansh Pal?
Present, ma'am.
Shrey Gupta? Not attending. Shreya? Today she is also absent. Siddhi Mittal?
Present, ma'am.
Then Taranjot?
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Vyom Saxena. Sorry, Vishesh Raghuvanshi is there? Beta, Vishesh Raghuvanshi is also not attending his classes? Is he attending?
No, ma'am. He is always there.
Is he there in
Ma'am,
other
he is always there. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he was in the first class and second class also.
Achha, but he is not attending these classes. Chalo, I'll speak to him. Vyom
There
Saxena?
might be some issues.
Maybe. Vyom Saxena?
Present, ma'am.
Vyom Sharma?
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, have your marking present?
Yes. Yes, beta.
Excuse me,
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, have your
Ma'am,
marking
I'm
present?
Vyom Sharma?
Yes, ma'am. Have your marking present?
Yes. Yashika
Ma'am,
Present, ma'am.
and Shivendra. Shivendra,
ma'am,
are you-
Present,
excuse
ma'am.
me.
yes, beta, bolo bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm asking that can I send my PDF on your WhatsApp number?
Who is this?
Ma'am Khyati.
Okay, are you not able to send your work to me? Your notebook?
Yes, ma'am, as I am living in Faridpur, that's why.
Yes, you can send. Beta Shivansh, are you there? Beta, is he there in the meeting, Shivansh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, I asked you that, ma'am. Ma'am, we can submit our copies in some days, ma'am. If we are not able to submit it now, ma'am,
हाँ.
can we, ma'am?
Beta देखो, we need to abide by what we are told. If due to certain reasons we are not able to do that, then whosoever is the authority, you need to ask that authority. Notice came from principal's office, you need to ask principal sir regarding this. That sir, due to so and so reasons, I won't be able to submit on the date given by you. So can I submit it later on, whatever, whichever date you want to decide, right?
Ma'am, I asked the class teacher,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am,
and he
ma'am, so
allowed
we
me
have
to
to,
submit on the
ma'am,
Monday.
we have to WhatsApp him.
बेटा आप कॉल करके पूछ लो या व्हाट्सएप कॉल करके पूछ लो, वो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए.
Ma'am, I submitted the notebook today, ma'am, and I have asked the class teacher, ma'am, for permission, ma'am. So there will be no.
ठीक है, you can ask him.
Ma'am, may I submit the notebook directly to your home?
Yes, Taran, what are you asking?
Ma'am, I was asking that may I submit the notebook directly to your home?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो I don't have to go to school unnecessary to collect them. आप कर दीजिएगा if you can. Okay, fine. Any other queries you people have?
No, ma'am.
Fine.
No,
No,
ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. See, I was telling you that we have started with the new chapter of geography, that is drainage, right? Now, what is a drainage? Do you know?
And the water system.
It is the river system. Fine. Drainage is the river system.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is what do you mean by this water system? Can you tell? Huh? Anybody in the class?
Ma'am, it is a pattern or a network formed by several water bodies.
It is a what?
Ma'am, it is a pattern or a network formed by several water bodies.
It is a network formed by several water bodies, right? But chalo theek hai, acha, good. Now see, when we say drainage, we are actually talking about the river system of an area. Now, what is this drainage basin? As you can see it written over here, an area which is drained by a single river system is called a drainage basin. It is called a drainage basin. Now, what is this drainage?
Can you please repeat?
What to repeat? Drainage basin?
Yes, ma'am.
See, it is a system which is of an area where a single river system is responsible for draining of the rivers that are there. Like if you see a wash basin, right? Wash basin, you know, how does a wash basin look like? So you all know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a drainage also for the water that falls in that from the hole. That water goes to the drainage, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly like that, the rivers that originate, they also drain themselves into a larger water body, right? So this is called as the river system. Now, what is this river system? Rivers are basically, if you remember class 7th, we have read about the course of a river. In this course of a river, we have read that how a river travels a long distance and finally mixes with a larger water body, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, or in between the tributaries that are there, they come and they join the main river and finally drain themselves into the water body. Finally drain itself in the larger water body. Like talking about जैसे घर के अगर हम ड्रेनेज की बात करते हैं तो घर में जहां जहां पे भी टैप्स या पानी का जो है वो है इनलेट्स है, वो कहीं ना कहीं जाके ड्रेन होते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There are several pipes through which that water goes into a final drainage, जो घर के बाहर बनी होती है, right?
Yes, ma'am.
बस
Yes, ma'am.
रिवर सिस्टम भी कुछ ऐसे ही होता है, बस रिवर सिस्टम में ये होता है कि वो फ्रेश वाटर होता है and it is joined by several tributaries or several small streams that come along that come in the path of the main river, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So कह रहा है an area of land where water drains into a stream is called a drainage basin, right?
Yes.
Fine? Okay. Now next term that you will come across is water divide. Now what is a water divide? It is a higher ground. Can you see? Just a second. Huh? Can you all see this mount?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
higher ground. Suppose this is a mountain. A mountain or an upland which separates Okay, now what is a water divide? A higher ground such as a mountain or an upland which separates two adjoining drainage basins from each other is called watershed or water divide. See, the water is falling on the surface of the mountain, but because this mountain
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
because this mountain is quite high, that is why the stream of the water gets divided into two parts, right? Say namely,
Yes,
this is stream A and this is stream B, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are two different drainage basins that are separated by a mountain or a hill or a higher upland. I hope this is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, the A and the B you have written, ma'am, they are the streams.
We can say that these are the two drainage basins, namely A drainage basin and B drainage basin, which was separated like it is written, no, basin A and basin B. अच्छा ये हमने vice versa,
Yes,
चलो
ma'am.
it makes any difference. तो ये ऊपर से जो पानी गिरा, because of the mountain that was there, the stream got divided into two parts and it made two different drainage basins. Different basins it has
Okay,
made.
ma'am.
And when finally this stream will be joined, like in the due course of time, it will be joined by various tributaries, right? And this will form one
Yes,
drainage
ma'am.
basin and the other will form the other drainage basin. I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Now moving to the next one. Like they are showing. See, if you could see this figure where the red lines are drawn, isn't it looking like a basin?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you see? What
Yes,
do
ma'am.
you observe in this? What do you observe? There are three different rivers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Three different
Yes, ma'am.
rivers originating, and finally, the small tributaries, the small streams that are there, they are coming and joining the main water body, or you can say the main stream, and then finally over here where it is joining. Just a second. Finally, this line, it is joining here, and this basin is joining here, and ultimately what happens? Stream 1, stream 2, and stream 3. These three are coming together and they are draining themselves in a larger water body, which is an ocean or a sea, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why it is called a drainage basin. See, from three sides, from here, and from this side, rivers have originated, and in due course of its time, during its traveling from the higher to the lower course, it was joined. In the due course, it was joined by several streams which came in its path. Can you see these streams that are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These small streams which you see, they are called the tributaries. What are they called?
Tributaries.
Tributaries.
Tributaries. So river system, as I told you, the river and its tributaries, they make up a river system. So these are the important terms that you are going to come across. That is why these 4 terms I have explained you earlier, so that when we are doing the chapter, you are not confused in between, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. See, the term drainage describes the river system of an area. Now, they have shown you the diagram. If you remember class 7th also, same type of diagram we did. See, where the source,
Yes,
can you see the screen clearly? See this source,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
this source
Yes,
where it is written, this is the originating point of the river from the mountains, right? Right? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
then they are showing
Yes, ma'am.
that this is a tributary that joins the mainstream of the river in the due course of its passage. Now, when the river water, like if you remember, we have read that in the upper course of its journey, the river is involved into erosional activity, intense erosional activity, because the slope is quite steep. See, from a, suppose this is a mountain, because the slope is quite steep. Sorry. The slope is quite steep. So when the water falls on it, it tends to cut it from several places and tends to carry the sediment that has been eroded by the river water in its due along with it, right? Now, when it comes in the middle course, suppose this is the middle course and this is the lower course. In the middle course, erosional activity stops, and whatever sediments fall in the passage of the river, they tend to carry it along with it. And in the lower course, when the river reaches the lower course, it tends to make various landforms over here. Like you can see an oxbow lake, right? You can see a levee is given over here. Then you can see a meander over here. These are all landforms that are formed by the river in its lower course, middle and the lower courses. Because by the time the river reaches the lower course, it becomes so tired that it is not in a position or in a condition to carry the sediments along with it. I hope this is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. Fine. Okay. Then finally,
Excuse me,
the
ma'am.
Hanji Beta,
Ma'am, Harshit is trying to enter the classroom. He's missing.
but it is not showing anybody in the meeting. Like the thing always pops up. Nobody is there
Okay,
in the
ma'am, I
meeting.
will talk to him.
Tell him to rejoin.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I have done a setting where if anybody tries to join, when anybody comes in the meeting, the message pops up and ultimately I come to know that somebody is there in the waiting room. Chaliye. Now this mouth, this portion is that portion where finally the river water falls into the larger water body. Like if you talk about river Ganga, or if you talk about Brahmaputra, if you talk about Krishna, if you talk about Kaveri, if you talk about Godavari, if you talk about Mahanadi, all these rivers, they drain themselves in the Bay of Bengal, because Bay of Bengal is a larger water body in which they mix up when we talk of these rivers and their drainage basin. So for these rivers, the drainage basin is the Bay of Bengal, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, let us move on. Just a second. Okay. Okay, class. I think you people must be having certain doubts regarding some of the landforms that are formed, right? Class, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When the river is
Yes.
falling.
Yes,
it
ma'am.
comes- Now, this is the upper course. Let me segregate. This is the upper course. This is the middle course. And this is the lower course. Now, in the upper course, as I told you, the river is completely involved in the erosional activity. So no landforms are made. But in the middle course, the river moves in a zigzag manner, and there is no path that the river follows, because in the middle course the slope becomes quite blunt. The slopes are not very high, so the river water moves in a S-shaped direction. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
होता है, ये इसी पोजीशन में इट कीप्स ऑन मूविंग. ठीक है, कभी बहुत बड़े बड़े लूप्स बनाती है, कभी बहुत छोटे लूप्स बना देती है, कभी इस तरीके से, कभी ऐसे. ठीक है, अब क्या होता है, ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ये जो पानी लगातार बहते रहता है. अब रिवर का कोई एक स्पेसिफिक पैसेज नहीं होता है, तो क्या होता है, ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट टेंड्स टू कट. अब जैसे क्या होता है कि ये वाला जो पैसेज है, अरे चलो कोई नहीं. अब क्या होता है कि इसमें, let me show it through that only. Can you see the PPT over here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, एक मिनट. Can you see the PPT now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just
Yes, ma'am.
telling you. देखो बेटा, ये आपको ये जो फर्स्ट पिक्चर जो है, जहाँ पे हमारा कर्सर है, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ दिख रहा होगा. एक ना अजीब सा ओवल शेप दिख रही होगी, ये दिख रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और ये जो
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है, ये स्ट्रक्चर एक्चुअली मिएंडर्स हैं. ठीक है, अब ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, नीचे वाली पिक्चर पे अब आप आ जाओ. ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम क्या होता है कि ये जो स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, ये जो एस मिएंडर है आपका, ये एक टाइम के बाद मेन पाथ से मेन रिवर से कट जाता है. दिख रहा है ये आपको, ये लूप बन गया. दिख रहा है ये ब्लैक सा पैसेज जो है?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am means after some
Yes,
time it
ma'am.
becomes like a circle.
एग्जैक्टली एक लूप बन जाता है ये. ठीक है, ये एनसर्कल्ड पोर्शन देखो, ग्रीन कलर का जो है, सेमी सर्कल टाइप है. ये ऑक्सबो लेक्स होती हैं. कौन क्या होती हैं ये?
Oxbow Lakes.
इनको बेटा
Oxbow Lakes.
ऑक्सबो लेक हम इसलिए बुलाते हैं क्योंकि ये जो ऑक्स होता है ना, उसके जो सींग होते हैं उसकी तरह लगता है ये, इसलिए इसको ऑक्सबो लेक बोलते हैं। अब क्या होता है, ये जो लूप्स होते हैं ना, ये ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और कट जाते हैं, और कटने के बाद ये ऑक्सबो लेक का शेप ले लेते हैं, इसलिए इसको ऑक्सबो लेक बुलाते हैं। बनते ये सारे के सारे मियांडर्स के अंदर से ही है। मियांडर जो है लथार्जिकली जब रिवर फ्लो कर रही होती है विदाउट फॉलोइंग एनी डेफिनेट पाथ, तो उसकी वजह से ये पहले लीवीज बनती हैं, लूप्स जिनको हम बोलते हैं, एंड ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ये लूप्स जो है कंप्लीटली मेन स्ट्रीम ऑफ रिवर से कट जाते हैं, और कटने के बाद ये ऑक्सबो लेक का शेप ले लेते हैं। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर।
Yes, ma'am.
You taught
Yes,
this in
ma'am.
7th standard.
We have done this in 7th standard, but somebody asked me that ma'am if you could explain ऑक्सबो लेक, तो हमें लगा कि इसको प्रॉपर्ली ऐसे ही समझा दें, ठीक है। जब हमारे
And there
पास
was a full chapter on it.
yes, can you name the chapter?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Earth movements and its landforms, something like that.
What
Ma'am, Earth movements and landforms.
yes, earth movement and various landforms. इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस के बारे में जब हमने पढ़ा था, टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स के बारे में पढ़ा था, उसी चैप्टर में का ये पार्ट है, ठीक है। चलिए, इतना समझ में आ गया?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जी व्योम पूछिए बच्चे।
Ma'am, they become naturally.
कौन सी वैली?
Ma'am, naturally.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
ये
they
बेटा ये नेचुरली, बिल्कुल व्योम, ये नेचुरली कट होते हैं। इसमें हम ह्यूमंस का कोई इंटरफेरेंस नहीं होता है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखो, अगर आप लगातार एक मतलब थोड़े से ब्लंट लैंड पे जहाँ पे अनइवन सरफेस है बट स्लोप्स नहीं है, अगर आप वहां पानी डालोगे तो पानी, द वाटर दैट इट टेंड्स टू मूव इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस, एंड एवरी टाइम यू पोर वाटर इन द सेम प्लेस, you will find that the streams of water will find a new passage to move. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये पैसेज वाला जो सिस्टम है, ये ऐसा होता है कि जब भी पानी का, जैसे कई बार क्या होता है, पानी का बहुत प्रेशर आया, जब ज्यादा प्रेशर आया तो क्योंकि सेडिमेंट्स हैवी होते हैं, तो वो सेडिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं, साइड्स में डिपॉजिट हो जाते हैं, और फिर एक छोटा सा रास्ता बना देते हैं उस रिवर को फ्लो करने के लिए, तो उसको एक नया रास्ता मिल जाता है जाने के लिए। तो ये ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बिकॉज ये एक कांस्टेंट एक्टिविटी होती है, कांस्टेंट प्रोसीजर होता है, तो इसी वजह से ये अलग अलग जो शेप्स, जो आप लैंडफॉर्म्स देख रहे हो स्क्रीन पे, वो सब फॉर्म हो जाते हैं। एंड दिस इज डन इन द मिडिल एंड द लोअर कोर्सेज। अपर कोर्स में केवल इरोजनल एक्टिविटीज होती है, केवल कटिंग का काम होता है, ठीक है।
Okay, ma'am.
राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है, इतना हो गया। अब नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं।
Ma'am, time is over, I think.
टाइम बस 2 मिनट, थोड़ा सा टाइम बचा है। ये हमने पढ़ लिया, ये सोर्स हमने, सिस्टम ऑफ एन एरिया पढ़ लिया, हमने ड्रेनेज बेसिन पढ़ लिया, वाटर डिवाइड हमने पढ़ लिया। अब ये आपके बुक में भी दिया हुआ है दैट अमेजन रिवर जो है आपकी, वो सबसे बड़ा लार्जेस्ट ड्रेनेज बेसिन जो है वर्ल्ड का फॉर्म करती है, ठीक है। और इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट ड्रेनेज बेसिन जो है वो गंगा रिवर फॉर्म करती है। इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेरियस रिवर सिस्टम्स दैट वी हैव. We will be talking about two basic river systems of two basic structures. One is the Himalayan river system and the other is the peninsular river system. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
इन दोनों में जो भी रिवर्स आते हैं, उनके रिवर सिस्टम के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे डिटेल में, ठीक है। The meeting is going to end any time. So thank you class, and please try to be present every day so that you do not lose on marks on any aspect. आप नोटबुक सबमिट करा रहे हो बट आपकी अटेंडेंस नहीं है, तो बेटा there is no point. If you are attending, you are not submitting your notebook, again there is no point. You have to fulfill all the norms that are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.